Time now for your forewarned weather with Garrett James.
Welcome back. We're checking in on your weather with meteorologist Garrett James. He joins us live from southern Utah. Now, Garrett, I know at least here in northern Utah, we've looked at a pretty calm day weather-wise. Can we expect that to stay through the week?
Yeah, it looks like it's going to continue. It does look to be on the windier side of things throughout the week. However, for the most part, things are looking dry and they're looking a tad warmer for a couple of those days. Let's go ahead and take a look at the radar. Still looking at a couple showers out there over towards Price and over towards the Uinta Mountains right now. We can see up towards the southwestern portions of Wyoming right now, a couple thunderstorms out that way, but for the most part, those are moving out of the area and should be clearing the area and staying out of the area. If we take a look at the overall satellite radar, we can see low pressure system still draped off over to our west. That's what's causing couple of these showers and thunderstorms. However, I really anticipate that as far as the rain chances go, this is really it for a couple of days. Take a look at the futurecast. It shows that while we will be looking at a few clouds tomorrow, we're going to be seeing absolutely no rain here over the next couple of days. So let's take a look at the overall storm threat. We're going to be looking at a storm threat really for the remainder of the day as those storms are moving out of the area. And the storm threat for tomorrow, well, if we take a look further to the east towards Colorado, towards Denver, Colorado Springs, we could see thunderstorm chances better out that way. However, things, like Sarah said a second ago, a little bit more calm out there. Still seeing some breezy conditions as we can see the flag blowing off in the distance right now of the ABC4 studio. However, Moab, slightly more clouds, but not too much more. Temperatures 88 degrees there. Definitely a bit on the warm side, but definitely not too hot. Look out over St. George shows a few thin cirrus clouds over off to the northwest right there, but we're mainly looking at some fairly nice temps out there. 70s for Ogden, Salt Lake, and Provo, but for St. George, still in the 90s. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wind alerts. While it is windy, we're not seeing any wind alerts out there at the present time, despite us seeing some wind gusts upwards of the 30s towards Milford and Cedar City. Everybody else seeing roughly about 10 to 20, 30 out towards Blanding. Tonight, still looking at a freeze warning for Ely, and that is going to continue and expire at 6:21 at 10 o'clock in the morning. So let's go ahead and take a look at lows. 38 for Elko, 35 for Ely tonight, looking bitterly cold out that way. 50 in Kanab, 61 for the Lone St. George, 45 Beaver, 51 for Salt Lake City. Highs tomorrow looking at the 90s for Hanksville as well as Moab, 92 St. George, 78 Salt Lake City, 77 in Nephi. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Wasatch Front. Going to be looking at temperatures staying in the 80s, upper 80s by the time we get to Saturday, Sunday looking at 92, Monday 87, then Tuesday looking at 73 with breezy conditions. St. George on the other hand, temperatures mainly staying in the 90s. 95 tomorrow, 88 on Thursday, both windy, then the mid-90s Friday, but upper 90s close to that century mark on Sunday. Back to you, Sarah.